Hello all, welcome to NSC Maths. So next example on solution of first order linear differential equation. So the question is solve x into y minus z into p plus y into z minus x into q minus z into x minus y equals to 0. See, this equation can be written as x into y minus z into p plus y into z minus x into q is equals to, this term goes to RHS, z into x minus y. We just write this as a standard form, capital P into P plus capital Q into Q equals to R in this form. So value of capital P we will get x into y minus z, value of capital Q is y into z minus x, and value of capital R is z into x minus y. Now, so this differential equation can be written as dx upon p equals to dy upon q equals to dz upon r. That is dx upon x into y minus z equals to dy upon y into z minus x equals to dz upon z into x minus y. Now if you consider or if you see carefully the denominator, now in the denominator of first term all three variables are present, x, y, z. Here also all three variables are present, x, y, z. Here also x, y, z. And also there is a subtraction. Here is there is a subtraction of z minus x, and here also there is a subtraction of x minus y. So we can't solve this type of example by using grouping method. So we have to solve this by using method of multipliers. So what is method of multipliers? We have to choose the multipliers L, M, N such that L into this denominator, L into P. That means we are going to multiply this term by L plus this term by M plus this term by N, so that this addition becomes 0. So see, before multiplying or before finding this L, M, N, or before choosing this L, M, N, how to choose this L, M, N as, see, this if I directly multiply x to this inside bracket, so you will get x into y. Since we are going to add these terms, so here there is a term of x into y. Check out the similar term here. See, in the second term there is a minus times x into y after multiplying y. So this x into y and this minus times x into y easily get cancelled if you add this directly. What about second term, x into z minus times? Now check out the term of x into z. See here, x into z it is plus times, so it is easily get cancelled. So that means I don't need the term to multiply this and to multiply this and to multiply this to cancel out. It is directly getting cancelled. That means I can choose the multipliers, as 1, 1, 1. That is not need to multiply this term by anything. That means we have to multiply it by 1, 1, 1. So that's why I am going to choose the first set of multiplier as a 1, 1, 1. That means value of L is 1, value of M is 1, and value of N is also 1. So what you will get? LP plus MQ plus NR, N into R, is equals to L into P, value of L is 1. 1 into P, that is XY minus XZ, plus M into Q, M is 1 and Q is this. So 1 into this YZ minus XY plus N into R, value of N is again 1. So N into R, that is 1 into this term, that is XZ minus YZ. So if you check out this XY and minus XY get cancelled, minus XZ plus XZ get cancelled, and YZ and minus YZ get cancelled, you will get 0. That means value of LP plus MQ plus NR equals to 0. Therefore we can consider L dx plus M dy plus N dz equals to value of L is 1, so 1 dx plus value of here dy, value of M is also 1, so 1 dy plus 1 dz equals to 0. Now we have to solve this equation, dx plus dy plus dz equals to 0. So we can directly integrate this, integrating dx, integration of dx plus dy plus dz is equals to some integrating constant c1. Now what is the integration of dx? It is x, integration of dy is y, integration of dz is z, is equals to c1. That is our first solution. Now similar way we have to find, or we have to choose another set of multipliers and find another solution. So again choose multipliers or set of multipliers LMN is equals to. Now which set we can choose as a set of multipliers, so that again denominator or that LP plus MQ plus NR becomes 0. So see, now you already choose here 1 1 1. Now for second set of multipliers we can't choose the multiple of this 1 1 1. That means we can't choose this as a 2 2 2 or 3 3 3 or 4 4 4 or 5 5 5 like that. We can't choose a set of multipliers multiple to this. We have to think about different multipliers. So see, if you try to cancel out this outside x, try to cancel out outside y, and try to cancel out outside z, that means if you multiply this term by 1 by x, so this 1 by x and x get cancelled. If you try to multiply this term by 1 by y, so y and 1 by y get cancelled. And if you try to multiply here by 1 by z and z get cancelled. So you will get here y minus z, z minus x and x minus y. So this y and here minus y get cancelled, minus z, z get cancelled. That means we may get 0. So if you choose the multipliers as 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon z, see what happens. So what is the value of LP plus MQ plus NR? You will get L. Value of L is 1 upon x into P. It is x into y minus z. Here P. Plus MQ. Value of M is 1 upon y into Q is y into z minus x. Plus NR. N is 1 upon z into R is z into x minus y. So this x and this x get cancelled. Y 1 upon y get cancelled. Z 1 upon z get cancelled. So you will get y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y is equals to, see this y and minus y get cancelled, this minus z plus z get cancelled, and minus x plus x get cancelled. So we will get this term as a 0. That means our whatever we choose the multipliers, these are correct. So we can consider L dx plus M dy plus N dz equals to, value of L is 1 upon x dx plus 1 upon y dy plus 1 upon z dz equals to 0. Integrating this, integration of 1 upon x dx plus 1 upon y dy plus 1 upon z dz is equals to some constant c. So this is integration of 1 upon x is log x, integration of 1 upon y with respect to y is log y, integration of 1 upon z with respect to z it is log z. And since all terms are in terms of log, so I can write in the right hand side as a log of some c2. I just use c is equals to log of c2 to simplify this. Now after using the rules of logarithm, I can write log of x y z is equals to log of c2. That means x y z is equals to c2. This is our second solution. So final answer you can write phi of c1 comma c2. Value of c1 is x plus y plus z comma c2, that is x into y into z equals to 0. So this is our final answer by using method of multipliers. So let's take another example. So the next example is x into y square minus z square into p plus y into z square minus x square into q equals to z into x square minus y square. So value of p is x into y square minus z square. Value of capital Q is y into z square minus x square. Value of r is z into x square minus y square. So this can be written as dx upon p equals to dy upon q equals to dz upon r. I directly write it by saving time. Now we have to solve this differential equation, and we are unable to solve by using grouping method. So you have to use the method of multipliers. So choose first set of multipliers. So what is first set of multipliers as LMN? So just by using trial and method find the first set of multipliers. See here inside the bracket all the terms contains power 2. See here, this is z square, this is x square, y square. So all the terms contains power 2 in inside the bracket, and outside the bracket terms containing power 1. So our thinking is must be also to make the power of outside bracket is 2, or to make the power of outside bracket as a 0. That means to make here power of x as a 2, so try to multiply here x, try to multiply here y, and try to multiply here z. See what happens if you multiply this term by x, multiply this term by y, and multiply this term by z. So outside the bracket here it becomes x square, here it becomes y square, it becomes z square. So here after simplification you will get a term x square y square. Check out the similar term here. See here minus x square, and after y multiplying by y here it becomes y square. So minus x square y square get cancelled. That means the terms may be cancelled. So we maybe consider the group or multipliers as x, y, z. So if we choose this set of multipliers, we check whether this set of multipliers is correct or wrong. So for that, check whether the value of LP plus MQ plus NR equals to 0, whether this value becomes 0. So see what is the value of L? It is x into P. P is this x into y square minus z square, plus M is y into this Q is y into z square minus x square, plus N is z into x square minus y square. So you will get this x into x square, multiply inside, so you will get x square y square minus x square z square, plus y into y is y square, multiply inside the bracket, so you will get y square z square minus x square y square, plus z into z, that is z square, multiply inside the bracket, so you will get x square z square minus y square z square. Now see this x square y square and minus x square y square get cancelled. Then minus x square z square plus x square z square get cancelled, and plus y square z square minus y square z square get cancelled. So all terms getting cancelled, so you will get 0. That means whatever the set of multipliers we choose, this is a correct set of multipliers. Therefore we can consider L dx plus M dy plus N dz equals to 0. Value of L is x, so x dx plus M is y dy, and N is z dz equals to 0. So integrating this, integration of x dx plus integration of y dy plus integration of z dz equals to some integrating constant, say c. So integration of x is x square by 2, integration of y is y square by 2, integration of z is z square by 2 is equals to some c. Now it is equals to x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 2c. We can say it is c1. So this is our first solution. Now we have to choose another set of multipliers element, so that again this LP plus MQ plus N are 0. Now in the first case, or while choosing first set of multipliers, we try to make the power of outside bracket, whatever the term, we have to make the power as a 2, because inside the power is 2. Now next time try to make the power of outside bracket as a 0. That means try to cancel out this term, try to cancel out this term, and try to cancel out this term, that is single z. So if you try to cancel out this x, so x getting cancelled, you will get y square minus z square, here z square minus x square, and here x square minus y square. Check out whether these terms are cancelling. Here y square is there, and in the last term minus y square is there, so it may be cancelled. Here minus z square and this plus z square get cancelled, so maybe we will get LP plus MQ plus NR equals to 0. So check out whether we can use the set of multipliers. Choose set of multipliers L, M, N as 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon z. Since we have to cancel out this outside x, we have to multiply it by 1 upon x. Here to cancel out y, we have to multiply it by 1 by y, and here to cancel out z, multiply it by 1 by z. So just check whether this set of multipliers working or not. So for that LP plus MQ plus NR is equals to value of L is 1 upon x into P is x into y square minus z square. Value of M is 1 upon y into Q is y into z square minus x square plus value of N is 1 upon z into value of R is z into x square minus y square. So x get cancelled, you will get y square minus z square. Y get cancelled, you will get plus z square minus x square. Z get cancelled, you will get x square minus y square. So see, this y square and this minus y square get cancelled. Minus z square plus z square get cancelled, and minus x square plus x square get cancelled, you will get 0. LP plus MQ plus NR equals to 0. That means this set of multipliers is correct for this example. So we can consider L dx plus M dy plus N dz equals to 0. Value of L is 1 upon x dx plus 1 upon y dy plus 1 upon z dz equals to 0. Integrating, integration of 1 upon x plus 1 upon y dy plus 1 upon z dz is equals to some constant c, or we can use another notation here k, some constant k. Integration of 1 upon x is log x, integration of 1 upon y is log y, plus integration of 1 upon z is log z is equals to k. And since all the terms in the left hand side are in terms of log, so I am going to use here as a log of c2. K is equals to log of c2. Now using rules of logarithm, you will get log of xyz, here log of y. Log of xyz is equals to log of c2. That means xyz is equals to c2. This is second solution. So our final answer is phi of c1 comma c2. c1 is x square plus y square plus z square, comma c2 is xyz is equals to 0. This is our final answer. Now let's take some examples for practice. Solve 3z minus 4y into p plus 4x minus 2z into q equals to 2i minus 3x. Second example, solve x into y square plus z into p minus y into x square plus z into q equals to z into x square minus y square. So solve these examples for practice. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can also ask on WhatsApp. Thank you.